Welcome to the advanced guide to Debank wallet address import. This tutorial will walk you through the process of importing your existing wallet addresses into Debank, a popular platform for managing cryptocurrency assets. To begin, you need to have a Debank account and an existing wallet with addresses you want to import. The first step is to log into your Debank account and navigate to the wallet section. Here, you will find the option to import wallet addresses. There are two common methods to import wallet addresses into Debank, including private key import and mnemonic phrase import. The private key import method requires you to input the private key of the address you want to import, while the mnemonic phrase import method requires you to input the mnemonic phrase associated with your wallet. Before importing your wallet addresses, it is essential to understand the risks involved. Importing a wallet address gives Debank access to your wallet balance and transaction history. Ensure that you are using the correct private key or mnemonic phrase to avoid any potential security risks. To import a wallet address using the private key method, go to the Import section and select Private Key. Input the private key of the address you want to import, and Debank will automatically sync your wallet balance and transaction history. Alternatively, if you want to import a wallet address using the mnemonic phrase method, go to the Import section and select Mnemonic Phrase. Input the mnemonic phrase associated with your wallet, and Debank will automatically generate and import all the associated wallet addresses. After importing your wallet addresses, you can view your wallet balance, transaction history, and manage your assets directly from the Debank platform. It is crucial to keep your private keys and mnemonic phrases secure to avoid any potential security risks. Best practices for importing wallet addresses into Debank include using a secure internet connection, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your private keys and mnemonic phrases confidential. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely import your existing wallet addresses into Debank and start managing your cryptocurrency assets efficiently. In conclusion, importing wallet addresses into Debank is a straightforward process that requires attention to security and detail. By understanding the import methods, risks involved, and best practices, you can efficiently manage your cryptocurrency assets using Debank.